I think you guys should get it before it sells out. I don't know if they sold out, but if they ain't sold out by Sunday when this video goes up, honey, they're on their way to being sold out. So I think you should get it, honey.
We've been on a tragedy for once. Why can't you agree with me for once? Maybe we can be on chill tonight. Maybe I can give you a kiss. We've been on a tragedy for once. Why can't you agree with me for once? Yeah. Maybe we can be on chill tonight.
Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl ArneishaNicole, and I'm back with another video. If you are new to my channel, make sure you stop and subscribe, turn the bell on so you can be notified every time that I upload a new YouTube video. So today we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna talk about this hair right here. So this is about to be hot on YouTube. It's been crazy on Sensationnel's pages and all the other wig companies' pages. So Sensational came out with the Instant Up and Down series. So it comes with 4 styles. So you can do a half up, half down with the ponytail in the back piece like I'm wearing right now. You can do a updo, you could do a pony wrap, and you can do a half wig, or you could just wear the ponytail piece by itself. So the one that I have is well, the style that I have is the UD2 in a 1B. So I'm going to show you the stock card once again, and you can see the half up style, the updo, the ponytail, and the half wig. I'm just going to show you guys this style because if y'all been rocking with me since I started YouTube, y'all know that this is my go-to style. So I purchased her from hairsofly.com because that was the first site that I saw had it. I ordered it on Sunday, it was shipped Monday, and I got it Wednesday, and it was a quick turnaround. I paid $29.99. So it has 100% premium fiber, and it's safe to heat up to 350. So on the back it shows you how you can put the ponytail and the half wig piece on, and it also gives you the special colors that it comes in. So it comes in a variety of colors, but I just got a 1B because I feel like this would be my go-to style. I really love this style. I think I may try the UD3. I may be wrong, the curly one. So one thing that I want to make note of before I go into the likes and dislikes and the specs is please don't be alarmed by the promo marketing that they're using here, because online they're using a different girl. So online they're using a brown skin girl, and she's in this burgundy. So if you want to order it online, just make sure that you're looking for her and make sure that it says style UD2. Okay, so I guess I'll go ahead first with the half wig piece in the back. I just 2-strand twisted my hair and left it out. The half wig has 2 combs in the top of the half wig, a comb at the bottom, and then it has an adjustable, not an adjustable strap, a drawstring, which I really like because when I was looking at it, I was like, how are they doing this half wig in the back of your head? How is it going to stay without having to do bobby pins? I was like, I really hope that they put a drawstring in there. And Sensational thought of it. They put a freaking drawstring in there. So I just pulled mine. I didn't tuck it under, but you can always put it with some bobby pins, or you can secure it with some bobby pins on the side. But guys, it's not moving. It's secure. So I love the half wig piece, and you could also just wear it as a half wig and just keep some of your hair out. So I love that piece. I don't really have any cons about that. The construction of the half wig is good, especially wearing it in the back like this. So I love that. Now the ponytail. This is kind of made similar to Sensationnel's instant ponytail wrap that I reviewed last week. So if you didn't see that video, go watch that. But about this one, it doesn't have the Velcro, which I told you I didn't like, and it only has one comb, and the comb is in the middle. What I would have liked about the ponytail is if they would have had another comb on the end of the weft. They only have one in the middle, so I didn't really like that. But it's pretty secure. It's not going anywhere. If you want to secure the ponytail a little more, you can just put bobby pins in it. And I love that they're including this adjustable band on the ponytails where you wrap this hair around. I really do like that, but if it would have had another comb, it would have been really good for me. But that's the only downside about this whole unit for me, is just the little ponytail piece. If it would have had another comb, I would be like, okay, extra security. But some bobby pins can fix that. As far as the texture of the hair is it's kind of silky, but not silky to the point where your hands are just slipping off of it. The style of the wig, I absolutely love it. Y'all know half up, half down is my go-to. Haven't gotten any shedding from it, haven't gotten any tangling. It's lightweight. I think this is good for spring and early summertime. I think overall that this is a great buy. I see why people are going crazy about it already, because I was going crazy about it. Because when I used to wear half wigs, I would take my hair and hair from the back of the half wig and try to achieve this look. And now I don't have to do that anymore. I have a unit, a piece that is made that way. So I think you guys should get it before it sells out. I don't know if they sold out, but if they ain't sold out by Sunday when this video goes up, honey, they're on their way to being sold out. So I think you should get it, honey. But I love it. I'll show you the front. You know, I just left my hair out. I swooped it up with some jam and my Cream of Nature edge control. I didn't use my edge booster because it's been making my hair a little hard. But this is what it looks like to the front. This is what it looks like to the side. And this is what it looks like to the back. And I could also move the ponytail to show you guys, like, my ponytail isn't the best, but like you can see my part. I think it looks pretty good. I think it looks really, really good. And I mean, I like it. I'm gonna redo my ponytail because it wasn't the best, but I love it. I think you guys should go ahead and pick her up in the other styles too, and tag me, send me a picture on Instagram at ArneishaNicole_. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and get me to 500 subbies because I will be doing a giveaway. And yeah, leave a comment below. Love you guys.